Yebo baba. Nangiyo. Oh, sendisiwa. Oba, bangiyabonga. Unangiye, iziyo yami. Yavuma ngithi. Sendisiwa. Alrighty then. Oba, bangiyabonga. Nange iziyo yami. Yavuma ngithi. Sindisiwa. Awungozi yemoto. Sunukanyo. Oba, bangiyabonga. Nange inhliziyo yami yavuma ngithi sindisiwa. Yabo. Dalala. Yabo. Righty then. That's a lie. Let's see some. Da-da-da-ba-dum. It's the only one of DRE. Coolios. Right. So, we always engage in things. Yeah, bafethu. Sibingelele kuqala. Ngaze ngiyeni mina anginaso leso sikhathi mina ngiyaqoqa endabeni. Must always remember ne ukuthi noma mina ngiyena wakini. Soze ngaba wakini. Angifuni ukuba wakini. Nginandabani. Nawe unabakini nezinto ebhekene nawo. Ungeke ngongozi yemoto abacabanga ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bayothwebula amadlozi abanye abantu nani namathonga abanye abantu. Awona mfethu mawusahalela izinto zakweminye imisi uzwa ufise ngathi izinto zakuloyo muzi loyo ucabanga ukuthi abantu bakuloyo muzi bazotshela wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi hayi ingane zenu nisifundisa kanjani ingane zenu indaba zinolwazi olungaka ziyafunda zesikoleni sakhipha imali esiyisebenzele sijulukele sayifaka esikoleni eyibiza izikole lesi ngemali ejulukelwe yithina sayifaka lapha. Ukujula komsamo wethu into ebhekene nomnombo wethu hayi wena wakomunye umuzi wena fuck off msunukanyoka. Simple this thing. Hamba kini ubuza abakini ukuthi nina nenza kanjani kini esigodini senu mawuthi nina nidla ini nidla lokho thina singenaphi thina. Ukuthi uzosuka intsha yakomunye umuzi cathi zongena esibayeni sethu izotshela thina izobuza thina ukuthi thina senzani kanjani igolo lelo. izobuza thina ukuthi ezethu iy'ngane zenza kanjani nani nani, yididi lelo. Hamba obuza kini. Nobody owes you information. Nobody owes you fuck all, my friend. Akekho umuntu okukoleta incazelo. Akekho futhi umuntu onendaba nokuthi wena ucabanga ini ngaye nabakubo nani. Yabona mina bazongibuza indaba yakho ukuthi abakisi kanjani, ngizokutshela straight emehlweni ukuthi igolo lelo. Tshela straight emehlweni ukuthi igolo ke lelo. Ungenaphi wena ukuthi thina sindani? Wawukuphi wena senzini? Ungenaphi wena? Wazini wena ngezinto zethu zanani nani? Where the fuck do you enter? Ungenaphi? Umuzi wendoda uyahlonishwa. Ufike usuzongena esibayeni sakomunye umuzi ebese ucabanga ukuthi usocanasa la. Hambe nithembisa abantu iy'ngozi zey'moto ukuthi zizofika iy'ngane zabantu. Nani senonkulunkulu nina? Senonkulunkulu? Uthi hhayi nani? Mase bebuya abantu enibathembisile ukuthi hhayi leya ngane yabantu izofa izobulawa yilokhu ibulawa yilokhu. Kungasenzeki usenyamangala. Because you used to do it before to abantu that were never aligned to abantu bakubo. Bebafethu, your biggest defense is umsamo wakho. Angitsheli nje ngitshela ngoTikoloshi mina ungidakelwa mina. Nani? Creations. IsiZulu asitolikwa. IsiZulu asitolikwa bafo. There's a reason for that language. Listen to what you are saying. Asitolikwa isiZulu. Nangebhadi. Listen, you've been telling yourself. Zonke iy'mpendulo zakho ziphambi kwakho. Zonke iy'mpendulo zakho right in front of you. The one thing the secret society is afraid of is they're afraid of umuntu obaqondayo. Ngoba you will expose iqiniso ukuthi you're gonna expose iqiniso ukuthi there's nothing stronger than umsamo. So the secret society sees you as a threat. Yabona leyo nto? It's because it's a group of people that concoct things that they're used to concoctions, using concoctions based on sacrificial events, sacrificial rituals, which supposedly are supposed to then ignite financial success. No, it's not an ignition or an initiation of financial success. It's not. It's you losing who you are. That's why you have to then sacrifice umuntu oseduze kwakho. That is why they will go, they'll buy the husband, they'll buy the wife, bazothenga abangani. People abazokujikela, abathembisa labo 40,000 laba nani. Ngobani? The intention is to use you as a sacrifice. Ngebhadi, when you are fully aligned nabantu bakini nomsamo wakho, or if you are an earth angel, all that bullshit izobuyela emuva kubona. All that bullshit ngeke isisebenze. That's why babathembisa, hayi ngiyakutshela wena ngoNovember 29 hayi ingozi yemoto, hayi ngiyakutshela. Then they start using creations, concoctions. Then they will start to concoct. What do I mean? Bazoqala manje, hayi awuthi indwangu lapha yengubo yalo mama lo ozilile. Asebenzise yona. Ebese siyambona into yengubo yakhe. Enensila yakhe. Sifaka amakhandlela lapha. Yindlela ajwayele uyihamba. All that bullshit. Concoctions. Benze konke lawo nto lomsuno nina. Benzeni with the intention to try and what? Destabilize or kill you. Uzibuza umbuzo wodwa. All the successful people in your area or emndenini wakho, yindaba mabefa ingozi yemoto, udutshuliwe, ugwaziwe, udukile, uduke nezwe, inani. Wake the fuck up. It's the only thing the witches know. It's the only fucking thing they know. It's the only thing they know. Once saqala sikhuluma ngokubuyisa, uyisithi esinzima kabi, because they don't even understand what the fuck am I talking about. Once waqala ngokukhuluma ukuthi hayi leya nto leya bayikhandela lapha nani, siyakwazi ukukhuluma nalo muntu lo nina enimthebulele qala inkinga. Ayikho. Which is very stupid to me. Ingane yethu le. Yethu le yala ekhaya, yithambo lethu, umnombo wethu. Okusho ukuthi ngoba kuwumnyombo wethu, yithambo lethu, ingane yethu kwesigodi sethu. Okuhlula ini? IsiZulu sithi okuhlula amadoda kwenziwani kuyabikwa. Kubikwa kubani? Kubikwa kubani? Siphuma esigodini, listen to the logic. Asilaleli logic. Siphuma esigodini. Okay, nazi singakafiki kusigodi. Nali ikhaya lenu. Ikhaya lenu homestead. Ikhaya lenu. Okusho ukuthi in this homestead kunani? Kunabesunguli. Abesunguli balesi sibaya. The first dynasty, those that actually created, that started leli khaya. Umsunguli, abesunguli baso lesi sibaya. Those are the people that are the backbone of lesi sibaya, isisekelo salesi sibaya senu, your homestead. Then when we start to look at amanxiwa, divisional purposes of this homestead. See? Then within this homestead, that's why kunamanxiwa nani within the fucking homestead. Why? Because in a bigger purpose or in a bigger transitional purpose, then this homestead is in a landscape of another greater homestead, which is a landmass, which is what? Isigodi. Isigodi sinani-ke nkosi yami? Sinomholi. Sinani? Sinenkosi. That's why some things, manje senihlulekile nina, zibikwa lapha emakhosini. See? Wake up. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. It's there. Guess what? Lezi zinto mini zikhona nizenza every day, but you don't realize you're doing it every day. This happens every day. But just because nisatshiswa laphana uyanisabisa lapho ngoze emoto, anisabise athi yena ayibize ngenyanga endala, athi umaster wakho bese nawe usuyashaka. Fuck off. Inguza leyo. Akho master wami la emsamo wami, igolo likanyoko lelo. Emsamo wabani? Usuka wenye indawo uzotshela thina uthi umaster wethi igolo lakho lelo, inguza kanyoko. How? Fuck you. Ha. Uzongena kuphi la? Uzotshela thina emzini kababa? Uzotshela thina emzini kamkhulu? Igolo ke lelo mfana wami. Igxiza ingcili. Fuck you. Kunezinto ezingamdinga umuntu wangaphandle. Into ebhekene nomsamo wenu ayimdingi umuntu wangaphandle. Ayimdingi. Lokho ezothi umaster wakho igolo lelo ucabange nje. Ngifuna ukuba nomsamo wami, kodwa manje ngiyocela kumaster ukuthi kube nomsamo wami igolo lelo. Ha! Abakithi sokhuluma nenyinjwa. Fuck off man. How? Fuck off. How? Don't be lied to. Avuka abantu benidakelwe. Manga lawo. How? ulawula kwakho mfana wami, lapho uyolawula khona kwakho, hayi emzini wenye indoda. Ask the right questions. Ayikho into ebacasula njengento ebhekene nomsamo. Ngobani? Bawalahlile amasiko asemakubo. So when they start to see you embracing izinto ezibhekene nomsamo wakho, you become a threat. Uyinkinga ngoba manje hayi abantu sebezobona iqiniso for what it is. Hey, fuck off, bruh. Fuck off. Ukuthi who thinks or says what ungenapho wena. Uthi who feels angazi chest pains wena mawuvela ungenapho wena. You live your truth, chief. Live your truth, chief, and abakini will back you up. Hey, bagiyeka abantu bakini mfethu. Bagini will back you up. So, I wonder these people. The one thing they can't stand umuntu ozazi. They can't stand umuntu owazi i-value yomsamo wakhe nabantu bakubo. Because you end up enlightening abanye abantu of their true worth. In fact, nobody owes you a good life. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody owes you a good life. Akekho umuntu okukweleta ukuthi wena uphile kahle. Akekho umuntu okukweleta ukuthi aphilele wena na ingane zakho. Nani. Akekho umuntu onendaba naleyo nto. No one cares. Ixoxo nexoxo mayixhumela. Ngeke mfethu sikhulise izingane zakomunye umuzi zizobusa la emcebeni wethu. Igolo lelo. Igolo ke lelo. Yebo. Makudliwa nezingane zala ekhaya zingadla asinankinga. Kodwa hayi ukuthi sizothatha isithebe sala ekhaya kube isabo. Igolo lelo. Ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho. Ngeke ungaboni ibhodwe liconsa kuloya muzi ebese ubone engathi manje wena yonke into yakuloya muzi isifanele kunina nabakini. Dadewethu ungalenzi lelo phutha. Don't ever think ukuthi just because you are now associated with a specific family, then you start to think ukuthi wena. Then you'll start to think ukuthi wena yebo baba. Then you'll start to think ukuthi manje wena somebody owes you stuff. Nobody owes you fuck all. Can't give me a This is, I know this guy. Okay. Hey, kusazoba mnandi emzansi. Awuthi ngisho.
Yes, injalo mfethu. Thank you for coming back now.
Kusazoba mnandi emzansi. Let me leave this. I'll attend to it later. Yeah, boom. We'll attend to that a bit later. You need to be real, Bafo. I want to. Nobody owes you. Fuck on. If you feel ukuthi your kids or your family deserves zangazi what, you guys need to create that. Efethu. Oh ma. That way, logic tells us. Wena ulotsholiwe lapha kulo mndeni. With the intention to what? To have inxiwa lengane yala ekhaya. Kwenye indawo okhona lapho kuzizigodi. Okusho ukuthi a division of this house will then be there. And wena njengomuntu who's associated nengane yethu, njengoba umuntu oyoba ngumama walelo khaya lethu. Elethu akulona elakini siswethu. Akulona elakini. Lo muzi owengane yethu. Shuthi uJabulani wakhe umuzi ubikile emsamo wethu lo muzi yaziwa. Lo muzi lo ukuthi uzowakhiwa laphana uJabulani awakhe uJabulani lo muzi lapha nani akona wakhe eMabani. Umuzi kaJabulani okusho ukuthi umuzi wethu njengomndeni wala ekhaya. Sonke have access to that khaya. Hayi wena nabantu bakini. Ningenaphi emphepheni zethu? Ningenaphi? Makufika ngoba that house there nanoma ubani umnyombo wethu mayinenkinga ngempela nani uyakwazi ukuthi afike azongena lapho. Hayi abakini asidandaba nabo. Angiphathi izingadi zakomunye umuzi. Fuck them. We don't give a fuck, bro. Nobody cares. Nobody owes you answers. You seek answers, buza emsamo wakho. You seek knowledge, buza emsamo wakho. You seek clarity, buza emsamo wakho. Aibo, why the fuck are these people inviting? I'm not gonna. Yeah. You seek what? Buza emsamo wakho. Don't come in and ask me silly questions. Ngena mina wakini. I'll always remind you. Ngena wakini mina. So I don't owe you answers. When we engage or indulge in conversations, whether it's for an educational purpose or it's at a social level, a social intelligence level, social reliability level, it's that. Nobody owes you answers. No one. You seek confirmation. None. Buza emsamo wakho. Not many people like, oh, yeah, mina, angazi, ini, nani. Hey, bruh, I don't give a cat's ass. I'm one guy that does not give a cat's ass. Because what we're engaging in here is for the masses. It's for the masses. There are people that don't know how to stand up for themselves. I bully the bully. If you want to be a bully, I'll bully the fuck out of you, boy. And I'll stand up to you. I'll bully the fuck out of you. You trickery. I'll show you what is trickery. That's the thing. Don't be fucking fooled. Don't ever do that. Awubonakali. Awubonakali lapha ya kulezi zinto zenu. Ngebhadi ke siphuma kumndeni engafani. Ngebhadi kuyona leyo mndeni siphuma kuyimbewu ezingafani. Okusho ukuthi masizoyibeka ngesilungu, we have different purposes within the homestead. You go, you watch my old videos, my old shows, Nani, you'll realize I speak a lot about understanding your role. I speak a hell of a lot of understand your role. Understand why you and not the next guy. Understand lokho. Izinto ekumele uzazi lezo mfethu. I want to learn. I'm one guy that doesn't give a fuck. Who says what? You need to get to, yeah, bro. You need to get to a point, bro, where you are accountable for your own actions. Ungeke ngale genge le ezozitshela ukuthi they're cleverer than the other. Ifethu akekho umuntu ozosuka komunye umuzi azozuza kulo muzi. Ngeke thina sisuke la sithi sifuna ukuyozuza kaMkhize singenaphi. Ngeke sithi sifuna ukuyozuza angazi kabani. Wena hamba wena ufike uzwane nengane kaMbatha lapha. Uzwane nengane kaMbatha. Zwane nayo nani myeke enze yonke into. Ebese mase sekumele kwenze bese ubaleka. Nani. Uyawazi amaMbatha? Uyasazi isigodi abaphuma kusona? Uyazi lento le abayenzayo nani? Uyabazi basondelene kangakanani nabantu abayisimo esikanjani? Do you even fucking know how far they can go? Uyenza nje ngoba phela kunziwa. Cha manje ngimbhekile hayi ngathi hayi balungile. Kanti ufike koBastard uqobo lwabo. Esigwaza siphindelele size sigcizelele. See what I mean? You need to know your story, my friend. Know your story. Know how far you can go. Yeah, boy. Some of us don't give a fuck. Some of us really do not give a fuck. Ukuthi sithini. See what I mean? So know your story, bafo, and udaba lakho nabantu bakini. Those are the folks, in fact, that need to help you. Those are the folks that will help you. See? You must notice. People are seeking knowledge, ne? But they are going about it the wrong way. Going about it the wrong way. You can't be learning secretly and hoping ukuthi no one can see you. You can't be learning secretly and then uthemba ukuthi nje wena mase uzoyihuba leyo nto akekho uzobona. Then you're living in a delusional world. You are being delusional. You are delulu. I always say everyone is watching. People are always watching. People are always watching, my friend. And when people are always watching, you must also remember, Uguti, if you are going to be referencing, because that's what it is. That's what's supposed to be. If you're going to be referencing, then you need to reference and say, Uguti, okay, from what I have learned from, this is what I have realized. Oh, okay, that is referencing. Bibliography. Because you need to reference, come with a source. See? Kunezinye izinto othi mawuzihuba okanye siyibeke ngesiZulu. Kunamahubo othi mawuwahuba anabanikazi bawo. Kunehubo elinomnikazi ngoba yihubo lakhe. Bese kuba khona ihubo lakubo. Ebese kuba khona ihubo lani lesigodi. That is why even uMasihuba sikhuluma nathi, hayi ngale kulesa sigodi benza kanje nakanje nakanje. Yayizwa leyo nto? These are things that we say every day. We talk about this every single day. But for some strange reason, For some strange reason, we believe ukuthi asibonakali. Or hayi asazi, ngeke baze babone, ngeke baze bayicabange ini nani. It doesn't work like that, Bafo. It doesn't work like that at all. Hey, Lamatot.
Many Bites is an endeavor that falls under the umbrella of Dungeon LLC. I'd sent you this a couple years ago, but I can read.
Hey, yabona labantu labo. It's gonna get interesting, mate. Okay, not now. We'll talk. Yeah, boom. Oh, Uncle Sam, hey. There are things that there are no need for us to answer. Yeah, boom. Honor, there's one thing that I don't entertain, and that is disrespect. Because I am very rude. I'm the one person I am so rude, but it's not even funny. Hlaza ngendlela ongazi wayibona. Futhi ngayifikele entodeni. Hawu ngayifikela mina entodeni mfethu. Gwaza, ngeke ngiyeke. Yabo. You know, when we engage in certain conversations, when we engage in specific topics, we engage in these topics with the purpose of interactive or interactions with others. Right? When we interact in a level of understanding, in a level of not premeditation, but in a level of determining a specific skill and a specific understanding. Right? The one thing here you'll never share from me is me explaining myself. Yabo. Yeah, fuck you. You need to understand what is. Oh, I see somebody. Hey, Con. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Amakho mkhulu kunjani?
Hey, sikhona mhlobo ninjani nina?
Siyaphila mkhulu, ano akhonto.
Eh, hayi, ngijongile la ngithi awu ndiyamziba ke ngoku ke,
Yeah, mkhulu benze busy kancinci. Kodwa ndikumamele.
hayi, ndikuva kakuhle mhlobo wami. Kuhamba kakuhle pha kwelo cala.
Ano kuyazameka mkhulu. Ndizabuyela kuwe kodwa kule veki izayo ngala consultation besike sanayo.
Okay. No, akunangxaki.
Ndizabuyela. Ngiyela
But
kuwe
ke
kodwa kule veki.
since ke sisithethile mhlobo wami. Kuhamba kanjani phaya? Mina ngiyathanda, I'm very big on ilo, on feedback and interactions, because we can't just talk nje sithethe into enezinyanya and then kuyatholakala ncam. Doesn't work like that. Yabo. But
Into ibike yenzeka mkhulu, uyakhumbula besithethe ngosister wami ne lo waswelekayo.
yes.
Ebeke wavela noke nanzikeni emaphuphweni wami. So ke nami ngiqala ngicinga kodwa ngendlela engicika ngayo noba ibinguye ne kodwa ke wavela.
That is beautiful stuff, yabo. Because mhlobo wami,
Wazange na
yes.
andikumamele mkhulu.
Hayi thetha ngithi kontathu zange
Eh,
wenza ntoni?
zange kaloku ndidibane naye mkhulu, so bendingamazi unjani ngoba wasweleka mos before ndizalwe.
Ah, no man, that is beautiful stuff, yabo. Because xa sithetha we need to engage. That's why I always uyabona uma nithetha nabantu okanye regardless if it's an educational show or just an interactive thing ekanje, where it's all about ukuthi I can't tap into izinyanya zakho okanye iy'nhlwele zakho and then izinhlwele zingaphenduli umhlola loyo. Uyabona?
Eh,
Because if we are going to be consulting mina now, I'm consulting and I'm talking to you and izinhlele zakho. Dithetha nazo, zisho whatever, zibone whatever, and then xa sigqiba intetho ethu, they then have to then come back and engage with you. Yabona? They must engage with you, uwe umntwana wabo, not me. Mina ngwakomunye umuzi mina. Yayiva loo nto? So
injalo.
I'm very happy ukuthi even after we engaged and we touched on it nani, as much as bekuyinto eyayibuhlungu kuwe at that moment in time, but can you imagine the joy osunayo ngoku uthi uzifike izinyanya zizifikele zona uzibonele bona ukuthi yo umkhulu lento ayethetha oyethetha inyani. You know, and when I explain lezi zinto kube ngathi hey umkhulu uyadlala nani, hayibo mina ngiyena wakini, abantu bakini ekumele kube yibona abazivezayo kuwe.
Injalo mkhulu.
Yabona? And that is a moment you can never take away from anyone because it's your story. You'll never forget that. Yabona? Hey, nayi, but ndiyavuya mhlobo wami, I'm actually happy for you. Yabona? Because now you are then able to even get that answer yourself. Yabona? Ungabe ngathi hayi umkhulu uqhunyiwe ke ngoku. Hayi uqhunyiwe. Ngoku hayi uqhunyiwe. Uthetha ngosister wami mina ndingamaziyo. Hayi uqhunyiwe. Uqhunyiwe. Yeah, but I'm happy. No, honestly. Do you know ukuthi kunabantu abazibiza ngeinyanga that have never experienced what you've just spoken about? Yawazi lokho?
Andiyakuva mkhulu, ndidla ngozimamela inantsika ii-live zakho, so ndifunda kakhulu apha kuwe.
Nahuva mhlobo wami. And there are many people wena abazibiza ngabelaphi kodwa the divine intervention or divine connections and interactions with abantu bakubo, they've never ever experienced it. Abazi. That is why it brings rage and anger kubona when we talk about this and people like you come about basho yo hayi ngenyani bafikile abantu banje bafike kanje. It brings rage and anger kubona because they wish to have that understanding. Bayafisa ukuba naleyo nto leyo, but ingxaki sekutheni bamoshile pha emsamo. That's the problem. And people are afraid of your accountability. You see? So that is why I do the shows. That's why I do the feedback shows. That is why I do the interactive shows, because I'm not really talking. I-experience yabani eyam or eyakho?
Yami mkhulu.
Ubani kokhulumayo? Mina? It is you. Because it's your experience. Yayiva ke loo nto?
Injalo mkhulu.
Yeah, and that's and it's authentic. It's beautiful. Ngobani, it's coming from the horse's mouth. Yabona? And that's where it is. All right. But see, I'm happy for you. It's a gradual process. And everything goes through isimo sabantu ney'nyanya zakho. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Niphile mhlobo wami. Number one, nice speaking to you again, ne?
Okay, ke mkhulu.
Ithanda. Yeah, baba. We're here. You need to engage abantu bafethu. You can't call yourself a healer. And you're unable to... Hey, bade kokongani. God. Yeah. You can't call yourself a healer, bafo. Udadewethu. And uhluleke ukuhuba nalabantu uthi uyabelapha. Shuthi ngumqambi manga. You need to be questioned. Kumele sikufakele amehlo. Kumele sithinta abakazidlohlo ngawe. Injalo nje ejiki. Ngoba phela kushuthi wena kuneqiniso kumele sitshele lona. And makuneqiniso kumele sitshele lona, can you imagine ke lezi zinto lezi ezinye ongasitsheli zona? See what I mean? There's a lot of questions that will come about before. A hell of a lot of questions. I wanted this thing, yabantu abadala. Again, language. Listen to language. To listen to the prefix of the language. It's there. Abantu but abadala. It's an open statement. But abantu abadala bakuphi? Abakini? Abendawo? Abesigodi? Think. Indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Abakuphi inkosi yami? Abakini? Abesigodi? Abendawo? Wake the fuck up. Ubuza abantu bakini kuqala. Just like in the living. Uqala lapha ekhakini. Don't just come just usitshela usixoxela isifuseke ebese ucathi we're just going to be happy about it. It doesn't work like that, bro. Some of us have been disappointed so many times. Singeni indaba yabanye abantu. Some of us have been disappointed indaba yokuthi ubani ucabanga inani. Don't give a fuck. Ithambo nje lokucabangela ade lafa. See what I mean? Think about it. Think. I mean, I always want to tap into you and your brain. I want to tap into that. And uma sizohuba ngento ezoba nabantu abadala phakathi. Njengoba wena umuntu wakomunye umusi. Umuntu wena, uwe lo, yimi lo. Mina wakomunye umusi, nami nezinto zakithi nani. Nawe wakomunye umusi, nawe nani. Ukuze thina sihube nawe. Nina okanye thina kumele sizethule kunina. Sizethule. Thina singubani bakabani nani kulesi sigodi nani. Nani nizethule ngobani. Manizethula nina nani. Bese ihutshwa lento ehutshwayo. Mayihutshwa ebese iphenduka inkulumo eyodwa. Definitive action. Divine intervention. Isilungu leso. Sibeke ngesizulu. Yila ehutshwa khona. Ebese iyendlalwa indaba. Iyendlalwa. Ithi mayendlalwa ebese ibhekwe ebese kuphuma isixazululo sombululo nendlela yaphambili. Makuphuma isombululo toqala imeli bekhona ukanjani umhlahlandlela. It's the most important fucking thing in healing. Umhlahlandlela. The most important fucking thing in your healing. Because once you understand all of that stuff, there are specific things vethu ozobe usuqala usuzibona ngabantu bakini. Yabo. Abantu bakini. Hayi komunye umuzi. Ungenaphi komunye umuzi? Ungenaphi, like seriously, ungenaphi? One day we'll start talking about something ngelinye ilanga sike sixoxe about specific spirits, specific interactions. There's a word I'm looking for. I remember it just now. Yeah, but why was it such a problem, or why is it such a problem to have multiple partners? Ukuhlangana kweinkaba. Aseke sikhulume lento. EsiZulu sithi gada ukuhlangana kweinkaba. Why? Why? Why, Babelap? Explain. Why? It's ikufundisa isiZulu ke. Logic. Uzibuzele wena. Ngifuna uziphendule ngingashongo lutho mina. Ukuhlangana kweinkaba is a problem. Ngobani? Soul ties, soul connections, soul interventions. Why specifically inkaba? Ake sibuke ekujuleni wokuzaleka kwengane. Izaleka ingane with the umbilical cord. Inkaba. That is why at the tender age of ingane mayizalwa idla kuphi kanjani? Inkaba igadiwe and all of these things none up until that thing falls off. NgesiZulu sithi kuwena masikubuza iphi inkaba yakho? That's the question we ask you. Okusho ukuthi inkaba is actually very important and holds a significant and a spiritual purpose. Kuwe. Because that is the entry point. That is your portal, my friend. Inkaba yakho. Ngisho nesibhonono. Nesibhonono saseThekwini nesibhonono sa sase out ngiyakudlala kancane. Ngisho nesibhonono. It is your portal, my friend. That's the reason why. Ukuhlangana kweinkaba is actually a real problem. Soul ties. Abanye have an issue with that because Hamas look at his summons. Shit. Yo, none. Continuously. And then people are harvesting of your energy. And it's always circular motion. Because of that. They must explain that to you, not me. Kaba yakho mfethu is your fucking portal. It's the entry point. Yakho. That is why the significance of us asking you and the significance of understanding ukuthi inkaba yakho ikuphi plays a huge role. A fucking huge role. In your whereabouts, who you become, where you stem from, Zonke lezo zinto. Those things come there. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela. See what I mean? You need to ask those questions. Those are the questions that you need to ask. Those are the things that you are supposed to be engaging in conversations with. Nabantu abasondelene nawe. Nabantu bagini. See what I mean? But because we are living in a time where it's all about replication, it's all about nami ufuna ukuthi get, nami I want to be relevant. Kanjani? That's the problem. Gandhi, just be yourself, bruh. Just be yourself. You don't owe anyone anything. See what I mean? That's what it is. But go back. Yabo. We come from we're living in a time where it's no longer about being genuine. It's about what can I gain from this guy and what can I gain from that girl. And then we forget ukuthi abantu baney'dala zabo. Whether leso sidala sijani sindaba yakho leyo. And that's where we all get it wrong. Because we end up feeling entitled ngezinto engazona zethu. Then we wonder why it doesn't work out. Ngeke mfethu usuke la usuka khona uzobusa emzini wenye indoda. It ain't never gonna happen like that, dog. It ain't never gonna happen like that. See what I mean? It's a gradual thing. Hey, Pila, how's it, my man? How's it, my man? Yeah, bro. And that's where many folks get it wrong. Oh, I see that guy is watching me. What, doggy? The biggest thing that folks want, bafuna lento nje yokuhlola nje kuphela. Hayi, sahlola thina. Hey baba, ukuhlola khona ukulapha. Ukuhlola is exactly that. It's to oversee and see. It's to tap into, to touch into what's bigger, what's the real issue. Ukubhula is something else. See? Umlilo wenziwani? Indaba yenziwani? If mawuhlakaniphile uzongizwa uthi ngithini. Mawuhlakaniphile uzongizwa ukuthi ngithini. Ebo gogo njani? If you're smart, you'd hear what I'm saying. And that's how simple this thing is. Because we've got this notion yokuthi masihlola phela, hayi, job is done. Hey baba, kunabantu abawazi. Do you know ukuthi kunomuntu owazi ukuyihlolela? Do you know that? Do you know ukuthi kunomuntu othi wena uthi momthintela abakubo bamtshele immediately same time uthi hayi kunjalo, hayi kunjalo, hayi yasibhedlela. Do you know that? Hey, mafethi nini. Are you aware of that? Umuntu othi usaxoxa naye kanje abakubo bamtshele same time udaba lakho. Abanye bamtshele ukuthi thula ungasho lutho, ungakhombisi ukuthi uyabona. Are you aware of that? Because if they were aware of that, ngabe they are not chasing into yokuhlola. ngabe they chasing leyo kulapha. Ngoba leyo kulapha, that is where the divine intervention actually happens. Yabona lolwazi enilifuna kakhulu, lolwazi leli you're seeking. This knowledge that you are seeking is not lapha ekuhloleni. It's at the healing part. That's where it is. And guess where that is? Kumnombo wakho, umsamo wakho, egazini lakini, your genetics, your X and Y chromosomes. It's there. Hayi komunye umuzi. Hayi kwingane yomunye umuzi. Kini. That's where it is. And it's in the healing. That's where it is. That's why uhlezi ungizwa ngithi kuwe buza kuphi emsamo wakho. I'm helping you, Chief. I'm helping you. Ngiyakusiza. Oh, you kanjani nani? No, baba. Nobody owes you education. Nobody owes you knowledge. Abantu bakini. Uwe nabantu bakini. Awu, hey gogo ninjani wema?
Siyaphila mkhulu njani?
Hey sikhona selika sami. Hey, sorry man ngiyabona la anginakile.
Ngiyabona uya ngilona ngiyaphila mkhulu ngiyadidizela ngiyovakasha namhla.
Oh,
Lengizayona
sayokwaba. Hey,
Kogwaba ezayona ngiyakhona.
awuthi nami ngifakile nduza ngiyakhona manje. Awusengicabange kahle.
Ngiyakhona mkhulu base bangena ngo11.
Ya
Ngiyakhona.
vele phela unamuphi namuphi sobiza lapha ngonkosi sihlangene. Sobiza ngo11 vele.
Yeah.
Uyokwaba kuphi nendawo gogo?
Khona la eKanyamazana.
Oh.
Anisalinze la usotong director khona but sengithi ithi ngiye lapha ngiyova ukuthi kuhamba njani. Ya wona maningi mara le inhlitiyo ithi hamba ubuka lapha ngayitolo ngabutisisa laba la market basho so bangena ngo11 so ya.
Awu number 1. Awu ngafikelwe ingoma ethi unginika umvuzo omkhulu. Awu msindisi. Hey bazokwamukela gogo. Ngafikela nje leso ngafikela isihlabelelo nje manje nje ngoba ukhuluma ngalento. Bazokwamukela gogo lapho yaso. Bazokwamukela kakhulu, uvula inhliziyo wehlisa umoya. Izowenzeka le ndaba yakho yeso.
Ngiyabonga mkhulu.
Alright, niphile ke nikhonze kahle lapho gogo. Hayi mina manje enkonzweni mina ngifuna ukufika isishisa mina ngifika sekuprofetha indaba lokungitshela ngoJosiah 5 efusek man. Ufuna ukungena mina mase kuprofetha sekushisa. Khona ngizophikisa yonke into, ukuphikisa awe manga. Ngiphikisa akunazi kathi ukudlala.
Hayi ngiyabonga mkhulu ngak-update.
Alright ke salikazi niphile njani yes. Alright ke number 1. Amen gogo. Yabo. Hayi njalo. Hey mina ngifuna ufike sekushisa inkonzo. Isishisa inkonzo nani. Sekufika abaprofeti bafika lapha naye babagcabile bayitshela bayazi. Bese ngisho ngestembu one way. Ngisho ngestembu. Yabo. Injalo nje. You know bafethu, people are really seeking the healing, ne? And the main knowledge is in the healing, not lento kuhlola. Why would the knowledge be in the healing? It's because the knowledge will be in the know-how. The know-how. Once we understand the know-how, that means you understand the depths of what you need to do. You understand where and how far you can go. And should there be a challenge within this, you've got a reference point in umsamo wakho. You've got a reference point in umsamo wakho. Yeah, baba. And those are the people that you need to engage with. Yabon. Those are the people that you need to ask questions. I mean, hey, mina ngomunye umuzi yabo gogo.
Kanti ngibuya njani mkhulu kaningi la?
Angazi ngibona wena uyangifaka manje. Okay.
Hey, mina ngibona
Bese ngijabula
ngikhiphe
ngithi awusho. Bese ngijabula ngithi ugogo mhlawumbe uzongihlolela. Hawu bese ngigiya.
Wosogiya. Ngiyabuya ngoshaya 10 around, don't worry.
All right. Okay, go. Number one.
Okay, good. Bye.
Yeah, bro. That's the thing. And once you also realize, bro, ukuthi ezinye zezinto, it's not just about addressing or making it known or knowing yourself, whatever the case may be. There'll always be energy vampires. Kohlezi ukhona abantu abeze ngenhloso yokuzozuza. Kohlezi kukhona abantu abeze ngenhloso yokuzomosha. Kohlezi futhi kukhona abantu abeze ngenhloso yokuzokubuka uwa abanentshisekelo yokuthi bakubone wena uwa. That's why you must stand for into yakini. Uzimele nawe ngokwakho. It's a doggy dog world. It's a doggy dog world. It is what it is, and you need to know udaba lakho. Once you realize lezo zinto lezo, that's when you see a difference. So the real knowledge that you guys are seeking is in the healing. Go for the healing, my friend. Once you understand that part, you'll be tapping into and touching deep things esibhekene nani nomnombo wakho. Umnombo wakho. Khohlo makhelwane. Sengiya out. Ngifaka amajazi ami la. Bayisontweni namhlanje. Sayongena. Fika late ke mina ngitshela indaba zokuthi khulunywa verse 5 all the full segment. Funa ufika mina seprofeto. Injalo nje. All right. Let me bounce. Lungise la nami. Sayokwaba. Niphile neza Nkosi yami. Danko.